Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 29th of January 2024 and the week will end on Friday 2nd of February 2024. So I hope all of you must be taking very nice trading decisions. Let's have a look at these different pairs this week, as I have discussed, and I'm keep discussing these pairs on regular basis, on the weekly basis. So I think you guys should have no problem and understanding these structures and these levels that I try to find out in my weekly forecast videos. So let's see this upcoming week what we get from the market and what different currency pairs and especially the dollar index, what that is showing us. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the charts. Right here, this is dollar yen. So first of all, I want to switch to the dollar index, and obviously all of you know this is a very key indicator with all of us to understand the dollar index moves. So first of all, I want to give a bit of recap to understand this whole story that is going on in the market at this present moment. I'm currently on the weekly chart, and on a weekly chart, if you see clearly, we witnessed a very nice and strong support near a price zone of 102 101, which was obviously a prediction level for most of the setups we have found. Here if we see right here, we have got a very nice one, and even right here we have got a very nice one. So as we are holding a buy position at the current moment, this will be very important for us to understand what we are going to do in the upcoming week. So right here, this is, since this is a weekly, and for almost like this year, this 4 weeks, it started to climb back up towards 104 right here. I would like to run first of all a very fresh analysis on it, since this is going to be a resistance with us, and that's obviously going to be a support with us. But even before that, there is one other monthly Fibonacci, but I'm not going to touch that at this present moment. I want to draw your attention to this long term uh, range, or this long-term trend I should say, and the trend started all the way from 2021 and this is 2024. So almost like you can say 2 years, 2.5 years worth of uptrend on the dollar index. This is during this trend, we also have got a very nice and fantastic resistance zone, which is like 107 and 108. This was highly predicted that the market is going to drop from here. I have explained it in my previous videos. You can check back those videos to understand that previous thing. So at this present moment, obviously this is going to be very important for me, 107 and 108 level. And I want to tell you why this is so much important for me, since I'm a Fibonacci trader and my strategy, I usually enter 618 and 50. Most of the time I enter at 618, and sometimes when it is confirmed that the market is not going to go further up and it start to come back down, then I trade the 50 as well, but obviously after a proper confirmation. So since this 618, it has not yet been retested by the price on a weekly basis. So obviously on a weekly basis, it shows now at this stage, it shows a very nice up wave. Let me delete this Fibonacci from right here. And this up wave, within this up wave, there is one more important thing for the weekly traders, and that is this resistance. If you see, so we cannot ignore the importance of 104 and 105 level. Even last week I have discussed this as well. And if I try to find out a very tiny number right here, so that will come right here, the exact 618 and 50 will be right here in this zone. So I should say, see a very nice resistance we have. This is a very key level and resistance we have, and at the moment it's trying. So let's see, most probably we should see some sort of from 105, like further up wave towards 121 pips further up is expected, but obviously this is way higher, and fresh buy opportunities, I think it will be a bit of like any trader who want to enter into this really should wait for this correction, and that correction will occur at a price zone of right here. We also have a very nice level, so 102.131. If anyone want to join this buying rally, well, if only the price drops till here, and it will be suggesting a further break of structure near 105.515, which is also going to be very fantastic one. So let's see if we get in the upcoming week this breakout or not. This 121 pips, it's showing up a wave, and if I switch to the H4 right here, if you can see, it is clearly trending up. And if you see, even for short term trading, price has like it acted as a very nice support zone near 103. So it will be very beneficial for the intraday trader, for the day traders. And this is the dollar index. Now move on to the euro US dollar, and same as I'm keep discussing, it's going to drop. It's going to drop all the way from like 1 2 3 4 4 5 weeks right here. And why it is going to drop, if I show you this setup, a breakout and a break into the structure, so which means it's trying to go back up at least on a weekly time frame. And the support zone is near 1.05 right here. There the dollar index is showing a bit of up wave, because it will hit, when it hit 105, I am so sure sellers will take part in that. So at that stage, when it will be going up, it seems it will be dropping. That depends on the volume, how much volume we get. At the moment, this is like you can see a weekly time frame, and I have to find one more level, because I see new fresh traders entered from here. So this is one of another bullish story right here. A lot of the stories are going on, but at the moment, if we see, it is a bullish story. And there is one more important thing, and the important thing is, let me show you. I have to find that tool right here. Yes, the important thing is this trend line has not yet been broken. And last week I have like one of my trade that I took, it hit the SL, a very tiny SL it was. But anyways, this is Forex, and tiny SLs we have to take a risk of. So now my prediction is this support right here near 10727. Remember everyone, in Forex trading we have to wait for the market. If we don't wait for the market, we can like take a very bad decision. And any trader who is watching me right now at this present moment, just look around yourself, just look at your trading, and just look at your trading background. You will always understand that. And even after, when a losing trade occurs, so this thing happens, that you say, oh, this is like I have just took this bad trading decision. And why that bad trading decision? Because we usually, most of the traders, because whenever money is involved, most of the traders then take trades that are less patience. So this was a trade setup, see, a very nice and fantastic one, but it failed, so we cannot do anything. And I also want to show all of you that in such situation nothing will be able, like no one can reverse this. It was supposed to give me around 300 pips of SL, but it took 50 pips of my stop loss, so that's not a big deal, right? So what is the main problem at this present moment is this break is now not clear to me, right? And there is the other thing is, there is a very tiny story. So we have to understand this, that if these tiny sellers, why, if they are selling the market, why they are selling the market. So for that, let's switch to the H4, and on the H4 I think we can find our desired trade setup right here. Anyone who is holding buy position, if you are on a hedge, that's fine. Otherwise, if we see, we have a very fantastic trend as well right here. Plus we have also ignoring this on a H4. If I just see the H4, this will be visible on a chart. and it clearly represents a downward move for the ABCD pattern completion, which is around this much. So let's have a look at it and let's find out a level that will be very beneficial for us. So at the moment this is like clearly representing a downward wave towards 1.07744, and any trader who wants to trade this, yes, it's okay, stop should be above that, and they can trade. But remember, this whole bullish story then will be reset right here, and we will be again looking for some buying opportunities near 107,500. And remember, if the trade is gone, it's gone. Try to set proper stop losses for your trades. So gold US dollar, if we see, I'm keep discussing it all the way from right here, since it hit 2143. There were actually two predictions right here. The first one is, and obviously this whole will be discussed as well on regular basis. So on a weekly time frame, what gold tells us is that it's going to drop towards 618, and even few months ago in November, it was highly predicted that it can retest 1940 once again right here, till 1920, 1950, 1940. So right here, since it is showing us a sell on a weekly, we have to switch now to the daily time frame to find out where it can potentially come back down. So first of all, the first thing, and that is to identify our resistance and to find out from where this whole story has started. This is a daily time frame, and there was this impulsive wave. Remember, this is still active and you have to wait for the market. The thing that I'm going to do, the setup that I'm going to discuss after this, will be highly dependent on this support right here, the expected one. So yes, now the plan is very clear. In the longer run, yes, it still represent 2191, and in the short term, if we see the H4, it just like euro US dollar, it is also on a very nice downward trend right here. So not very bad to look for a sell opportunity. And if I find out there will be one other ABCD pattern that will be exactly completing near 1980 and 1977, which I also discussed earlier. But let's see, any one of you who have problem, you guys can contact me on the WhatsApp number that is right here, and definitely I will be updating you about what services I can give you. So remember everyone, I was talking about patience, and anyone who does not practice enough patience in this market, they take bad trading decisions. So we have to keep ourselves separated from those people who are less patient people, right? There is one more thing I want to add right here. Let's suppose this is like market, and most traders, the ideal situation can be, since already the market has dropped, anyone who took a sell from there, discussed previously, a sell from there, even this was around a 618% retracement. Just see right here, a 618% retracement and a drop. And I keep keep explaining this whole strategy, that see everyone, this is dropping. Just have a look at this whole trend. Like those who are who say this forex thing, we cannot make money, just listen to me for 1 second and you will clearly understand. The market started its drop, really, that's fine. It came back up, you didn't took anything. It came down, it went back up, you did nothing. It came down, it went back till here, you did nothing. It went back up, this was a 618 retracement, you could do a lot, because this was also from right here, this was also a 618 retracement. Even you can adjust it like this, just have a look at it. So one trade opportunity, second trade opportunity, both on a sell, and both were very perfect. But the thing is, we guys or most traders, they don't try to understand these things. Unfortunately, I have to say this. But those who try to understand the market structures, like at each and every level, every support and every resistance will be giving you good profits. But for that, we have to identify, we have to define clear set of rules for ourselves. We have to say, okay, this is our trade opportunity and I have to take it. This much I'm going to take a risk, and this much is going to be my reward. Set your entry and just forget about it. Find another one on another instrument with a proper and managed lot size, so then you will be completely successful, right? Moving on to the dollar CAD. Well, just like the dollar index, dollar CAD is also going very nicely bullish, just like I'm discussing it, and it will be going bullish unless we get a clear direction on the dollar index, because like there is a bit of correlation in between both of these two. We can say this is on a weekly, this is clearly standing on a bullish trend line point, we can say. And the targets that we achieved, well, that is fantastic, and I congratulate everyone who took this trade with me towards that. The actual TP for this one hit right here near 618, and it is trying to come back down, so another buying opportunity is waiting for us near a price zone of this 618. This is, let me delete this first of all. So okay, let me delete this one as well. So right here, if you see, this is going to be a very fantastic trade opportunity, and let's see, the market is dropping towards 1.33209 in the upcoming week. Most probably then I will be taking a buy decision where the TPs will be. Well, in a 1 week it's not going to go up there most probably, but even if it go, it is going to retest this previous resistance zone right here. So that's going to be a very fantastic trade opportunity. Try to focus on it. Pound dollar, my friends, pound dollar is keep ranging, just like last week I discussed. This is like a resistance, this is going to be a support 1, and this is going to be support 2. So it is ranging in between, like this area. You can consider this as a step, you see a ladder, okay? Like the price breaks in, let me explain it with a pen tool, just pay close attention. What the market did is, it initially jumped right here, and the bulls have shown themselves that okay, we are right here. Then a drop, obviously this is market and it should follow its own algorithm right here. So a drop right here, then a pullback, and then obviously till here we can understand market was supposed to drop, but we suffered a tiny loss right here, and the market breakout. After a breakout, it retested this lower support, we can say this is support, and it went back up, it came down, it created one support right here, second support right here, third support right here, and same is the case 1 2 3 and around 4. So unless it is ranging in between these two, I sorry, I think we should be trading in these two levels on the H4. So very simple it is, I hope you guys understand it. And pound yen, if you see pound yen right here, this is very simple, and just like last week I said, this is going to be like, it's standing at a sell point, but the weekly candles doesn't tell us that it's going to drop. So it was supposed to drop last week, but it went back up and it created its resistance right here. Now we have to see that on the daily, and on a daily, yes, for almost like during the whole week it dropped. So let's see what we can do and what I can do, especially remember this pound yen is also ranging in between these two zones, where this will be support, this is resistance, but I'm more expecting this downward rally toward 183 182.80, from where I am expecting some taking some buying opportunities. The long-term ones, the short-term ones, we can find around these levels. And for a sell, Monday and Tuesday is going to be intraday, like smaller positions. Those who want to take, let's suppose you anyone want to take 50 pips quickly, stop barely above this. If the SL hit, forget about the story. No need to enter into a buy trade, no enter to a sell trade. Here most of the traders, what they do is, as soon as your stop loss is hit, as soon as the stop loss is hit, most of the traders do what? They say, okay, no, I am proved wrong, let's take a buy position. Let's suppose in this case, let's say if the SL hits, you say no, it's going crashing, let's take a buy. And in this buying and in this selling, quick buying and selling decision, they end up giving us huge losses. But this is us who don't understand these things, who don't try to understand these things. Why? Because unfortunately I have to be straightforward, and why I'm saying this is because we are like blindfolded, you can say. We are trading blind. We don't see. By we I mean everyone, right? So most traders do what is that they blindfold, they trade blindfold. No, my friends, we have to, like, once a trade is taken, we have to wait. When we wait for it, it hit the TP, then we wait for another one. If it hit the SL, we just leave it. We don't enter in an opposite trade. I hope you understand what I want to say. Dollar yen is also moving very nice. The buying opportunities, 146 I was expecting for a buy. Unfortunately market didn't give me that. So does that mean I will be worried or something like that? There are a lot of pairs. I can trade some other pair, right, everyone? So what I'm saying is, I'm saying it because I cannot see traders not making money in this very simple market. A very simple market and very simple technique. If I show you around this is obviously a story. Just see 618 retracement level. What's different in this? And even on the H4 we have got it. Two different levels, like 146. See, previous zone right here, previous breakout right here. So this is confirmed as an impulsive wave. Impulsive wave right here like this. And even we have got a break because market was supposed to drop from here. It gave a breakout. So this is going to be an impulsive wave. This is going to be a very nice bullish opportunity. What's different in difficult in that? Nothing. So let's see what it gives us in the future. It's bullish at the moment, and 148, 149, 150, these levels has gone nowhere. And if I see that on the daily time frame, it closed very bullish. So if it drops till 147.50, a nice buying opportunity can be taken, and it also represents that this resistance can give some headache to these bulls near 150, 149.40. So this is the weekly forex forecast video. Wherever you are, remember, I want to give you a bit of tips as well in these weekly forecasts as well. So if you wait for the market, you wait, you sit, relax right here. No need for worry, no need for nothing. Okay, do nothing, just look at the screen. If there is a present setup available, put your TPs, SLs, leave it, find another one. This way you will be successful. Plus another thing is the growing account concept. This is like a very deep down, like deep you can say a very deep a discussion in itself, right? So I will be discussing that some other time, but we have to see, we have to understand, we have to take each and every step very carefully. Try to like the video, share in the groups if you can, and this is my WhatsApp number. If you want my services, I will be always available for you. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.